Welcome to the training video for Pepsi Logistics Company Inc. online web portal. Here's where you will access shipments with those load numbers in the 1000 series. You will also be able to update shipment status as well as add available equipment from this portal. First, I will discuss how to get your login information. Please go to our website at pepsilogistics.com. Scroll down until you see the Pepsi truck and click on Carriers. Scroll again until you see our carrier portal. Here you can enter your company name, and your email and click Submit. We will then send you back an email reply with your login information. To actually access the portal, you can click on Portal Login from any of our website pages. This will take you to pepsilogistics.com/portal. You can save that link to your favorites so you can directly access it if you do not wish to go to our website. As we are in testing phase right now, you'll notice that I have a different address than what you will normally see pepsilogistics.com/portal. When you click on the portal login, you'll actually be able to enter your user ID, your password, and click login. If you ever forget your password, please contact us and we will provide you with an updated password. Once you log in, you will be taken to a screen that looks like this, and here is where you can get quick snapshot information of your shipments. The first dashboard that you will see, our main dashboard here in green, shows different status activities: today's activity, tomorrow's, future loads, past 7 days, next 7 days, as well as late, pickup, and delivery. You'll also notice missing appointment information here. If something is within 48 hours of pickup or delivery and is missing an appointment, it will show up in red here. You can click there and it will actually take you to the shipment so that you may enter in the appointment information that is missing, which I will discuss shortly. Going back to the dashboard, you'll notice that there are other numbers shown here as well. If you want to see those picking up tomorrow, click there and it will show you all of the loads that are actually picking up tomorrow. You can do that from any part of the dashboard that has numbers, meaning that there are shipments within that category. There are several other widgets that can also be found on the dashboard. As you can see over here on the right, these are the available widgets. To remove a widget from your screen, simply click on the button. You'll notice when a widget is open, it is highlighted in a darker color. If we want to go on to the next widget, we'll click on that widget and it'll open up a pie chart. In this example, everything is in booked status. But if something was in transit, was picking up today or picking up tomorrow, you would have different parts of the pie chart colored in these colors. We also have a calendar widget. It shows you what's picking up and delivering on different dates. The highlighted date is actually today's date. If you want to go directly to those shipments within the categories, simply click on that color and it will take you to everything picking up or delivering on that date. Again, just click on the color and it'll show you everything delivering or picking up on that date. The last widget is our news widget, and here we'll actually have any news information so you can keep posted on what's going on with Pepsi Logistics. You can have multiple widgets open at one time in whatever order you choose. Simply click on Open and scroll down. If you wish to have them in a different order, close them out and open whichever one you want to have first, second, so on and so forth. It really is customizable to exactly what you want. The other great feature about the dashboard is the quick search. These are drop downs. If you click in the box, you'll see that there are 4 options: Pro number, customer reference number, pickup reference, and consignee reference number. Simply click on the one you wish to look up, type in a number, and click here to search. If we want to look for Pro number 1275, for example, we enter Pro number, enter the number, click here, and it will take us directly to Pro number 1275. You also have another quick search option here. Click on this drop down and you'll see there are various different statuses that you can click on to get directly to those shipments. Let's say we want to update anything with a late pickup. We'd click on late pickup, click on the arrow, and it would bring us to all those shipments that are considered late pickup. Late pickup is anything that has not picked up within 1.5 hours of the original pickup time. You can do the same for late delivery. Click on late delivery, click on the arrow, and it will take you to anything that's considered delivering late. What we consider as delivering late is if it's 2 hours after original delivery and we have not received status update. And that's how to use the quick search features. You can also click Contact Rep, and it will open up an email screen with our email address to actually contact us. Please use this button anytime you want to update us on information about the load that is pertinent for us to know. And that's how to use the dashboard. Next, we'll move on to the shipment screen. Just click on the tab over here on the left to get to the shipment screen. When you first click on the screen, you'll see all the loads that are currently in your queue. Everything you'll see here is what is open to you that hasn't been released to finance. What we mean by that is within 24 hours of delivery, we actually release the loads to finance, and they'll no longer be visible here in this screen. You'll notice that there's a lot of information on the initial screen, including pro number, the customer reference number, status information, origin, destination, mode and commodity, as well as your dates, pickup, appointment, delivery, and delivery appointment. To click on a particular load and get more details, simply come down and click on the load. And here you'll be taken to an additional details screen. You'll notice that there's origin information, delivery information, more shipment details. Here's where you would find check call statuses, a map of the origin and destination, as well as estimated charges. Anytime you have additional accessorials that you want to include in your charges, you would need to contact Pepsi Logistics, let them know of the accessorial, at which point it will need to be approved. They will actually enter in the additional accessorial into our system, and then it would show up here. This screen is where you'll be able to edit any statuses of your shipments. Simply go to the Edit button, click on Edit, pick the date, pick the time, and click Submit. That would actually update the date and time of that particular status and would provide us with the information that we need. Please ensure that you are doing this in a timely fashion so that we will not have to contact you with any missing information. So you can edit appointments, the arrived date, departed date of the pickup, again, delivery appointment, as well as the arrived and delivered date. If you want to make a check call, which we request to be done twice a day, simply come up here, click Make Check Call. You can click on Message and enter the different status of the check call. Hopefully you're on time, but if you're running late, have hit traffic, have a weather delay, you can click on any of these different statuses and update the shipment. Then you can enter the city that you're currently in, that the truck is currently in, come down, enter the state, and any notes. Then you'd click Submit, and the information would then be shown in the status. You'll also notice that there are different statuses up at the top of the screen. If it's in covered status, it would be blue here. Once it's dispatched, this would turn blue, then loaded, and finally delivered. You can also do the quick features from here as well, the ones we discussed on the dashboard, by clicking on the reference number that you want to find. So again, if you want to find Pro 1275, simply click Pro, type in the number, hit the button, and there's the one you were searching for. You can also go back to the full list by clicking on Full List. You can do the quick search features here too. There weren't any results there. And now there were 3. Click on Full List again to get back to your full list. There's a great feature on this screen called Hot Load. Let's say there's a particular shipment that you want to pay extra special attention to. Simply click Hot Load for that shipment, and it will be deemed a hot load until you uncheck it. By clicking Hot Load, you can do quick search features to get directly to those loads. So if there's something special about it, about these two shipments, but there's really nothing related. Like there's not the same pickup date, and it would be hard to find both of them together. Simply click hot load, and you can do any quick search from their pages to get directly to those shipments. And that's how to use our shipment screen. Again, you can always contact a rep if there's something you want to let them know about a load. I'm going to skip down here to advanced search. If you ever want to get a more detailed search, here's where you would go. You can enter in different information: pro number, customer number, pickup reference number, or reference number. You can search by hot load. You can search by date range, so requested, appointment, actual, all, and the actual pickup or delivery date. And you can do a range, so say from the 7th to the 10th. You could put in origin information, destination information, as well as search by statuses if you want to see everything that's loaded. That's a reefer. Obviously that would be chilled. You can do that here. So you can search from a variety of these different options to get to exactly what you want to find. You can actually click here to save the search and then assign it a name. And when you click search, it will actually save that search so that you don't have to rekey everything in. Instead, the next time you could just go down here and test, or whatever you named it would show up in this drop down. You can also click edit save searches if you want to get rid of that search feature, or you want to actually change what test or whatever it is you called it pulls up. Then click search, and it would bring you to the shipment screen with whatever you actually searched for. The final really neat thing that you can do in the portal is add available equipment. If you have several trucks that are available and you want to let us know, so hopefully we can find a great shipment to load them with, you would come down to equipment. Here you would put in your telephone number, fax, email, and the equipment type. You would put in the date that it's available. You can put in the time using these buttons here, or you can just key it in yourself. Put in the city that it's coming from and the state that it's coming from. And then you can put in up to 5 states that you would like this to go to. Just simply come down here and select the states. We will be adding in a 48 in these drop downs. If you're willing to go to all 48 states, or at least more than the 5 shown here, simply click 48 when that is available, and we'll know that you're willing to go to 48 states. If you have any additional information, you can key it in here. And if you have more than one truck available with these kinds of details, simply add in the number of trucks that you wish to show us. Then click submit. If you have other available trucks that have different details, once you click submit, come back to the equipment screen and enter in those trucks' details. After 24 hours of the available date, the equipment will fall off of our window. If the equipment is actually utilized prior to then, please let us know so that we may delete it from our available screen. Finally, on our dashboard, you'll also find that we have our social media. If you want to quickly access our Facebook page, our Twitter page, or our LinkedIn, you can click on any of these links. And if you actually hover over the little man down here, it will show you all of your information. Once you are done, simply click log out. And that's it. Thank you very much for joining us for our training video.